these are the main door panels and the inner door panels for the Austin Healey BJ7 3000 series. So we sell these as a kit, 2 pairs effectively, so you get a pair of the main outer doors and then a pair of the inner doors. The outer doors, let's start with those. They are fully trimmed on hardboard, so you can see hardboard here, cut on our CNC machine. So nice millimetre perfect all the way around, and then they're trimmed all the way around, but there is no liner area down here like there is on some of the earlier Healeys. The BJ7s did not feature that. So these have actually been trimmed in leather, and it's the smooth style leather, so it's got a bit more of a natural graining to it, as you can see. Lovely colour, although very hard to keep clean. Done for a chap over in America. So yeah, you get a pair of those fully trimmed up. They're hardboard and they have a 3mm foam padding on them. So a pair of those, just to show you as well. So that is the right hand door right there. So front of the car, bottom, top, back. Okay. Then you get the inner doors. Now these are preformed aluminium. They have correct bends in them and the holes for the window and door releases on them, and a couple of mounting fixing holes here. So you get a pair of these. Again, they are foamed, 3mm foam, and then they get a material, in this case leather, but normally vinyl, cover, which gets some seams put down them first and then trimmed on. So you get a pair of these. Now this is the left hand panel right here. So let's just work this out a second if you bear with me. Left hand panel. Okay, so front of the car that way, back of the car, top of the car, bottom of the car. You have effectively, if we look at the reverse of this and just imagine it was a trimmed side, so that top one there I believe is for the door release, the bottom one being for the window, and that being the front of the car, top of the car, bottom of the car, back of the car. So you get a pair of those as well. So we sell those as a set of 4.